Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to add secondary email on any Oppo phone. Now to do that, just open settings and tap on users and accounts. Now to add a secondary account, just tap on add account, then select Google. From here, just enter your lock screen PIN. Now if you want to create an email, just tap on create account. And if you want to log into your existing email account, in this section, just enter your email account. Once you enter your email account, then tap on next. Now in this section, just enter the password of your email account. Once you enter the password of your email account, then tap on next. Tap on continue and select I agree. From here, you can enter a recovery email. Otherwise, you can tap on cancel. Then tap on skip. Now, as you can see, we have successfully added a secondary email on our Oppo phone. And this is how you can add a secondary email on any Oppo phone. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.